want to go decorate the tree? Go put it on the tree. Go put it on. Good girl. Yay! Want another one? Good job. Here's another one. Go put it on the tree. Go put it on the tree. Go. Oh. Ready. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, here's another one. Madison, you want another decoration? Here you go. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, go put it on the tree. Go put it on there. Here, right here. Put it right here. Yeah, right here. There we go. Good job. Oh, here's one more. Oops. Uh-oh. Whoa. Here. Here's one more. Go put it on the tree. Whoops. Can you go show us? All right. Put it in the tree.
Patch.
Yay. Yay. Are you giving Patch kisses?